Hello again. Welcome back to MarineMax Gulf Shores. Today we're going to be taking a brief look at Grady-White's 2020 236 Fisherman. Like this Grady-White, like all other Grady-Whites, this Grady-White features the CV2 hull, which is the smoothest riding hull on the water. This boat is outfitted with a 300 Yamaha 4-stroke engine, top speed 47 miles an hour, best cruising speed 30 miles an hour, getting you about 3 miles per gallon. As we walk aboard this boat, like all the other Grady's, again, this boat is geared more toward fishing. With the helm station that's laid out, easy for you to use. Nice helm chairs, transom seat, fish box, and live well on the transom. And as you walk to the front of the boat, you'll notice the backrests, forward-facing backrests, all the cushion package, and windlass anchor. For more detailed viewing of this Grady or any of our other Grady's, come see me, Dwayne Diggs, at MarineMax Gulf Shores.